Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool rug right here, and basically what this is a rug that you put on your floor. So whether you guys want to put it in your living room or bedroom, you guys can decide based on your own preference. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is kind of like what the pattern looks like. So for this product, it comes in many different sizes. They have like a 2x6, a 4x6, which is what we have right here, and they also have one that is 5x7.5, which is the biggest one that they have. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. So obviously I don't have enough room to open it right here. So I should bring this over to another room and show you guys what it actually looks like when we actually open it up on the floor. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's open it up. You can see the product is all nicely compressed inside right here. But let's open it up and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the material on the top layer, it definitely feels really nice and very soft. If you guys look at the bottom of the rug right here, it definitely has that like non-slip material. So when you guys put it on the ground, it won't keep moving around, which is pretty nice. If you guys see right now, it definitely has a lot of like wrinkles on here. So you definitely have to leave it for like 3 to 5 days out. So that way actually you can fix itself and you don't have to worry about it. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys open it up. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty awesome. Here's a little bit of a close-up to show you guys what the product looks like. So you can definitely see that wrinkle a lot, but over time it should go away. And then for the bottom layer, if you can see, this is basically what it looks like. So it definitely has that very nice like non-slip material on the bottom. So that way the rug won't keep moving around. If you can see when I try to pull it, it won't move. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys open it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually looks pretty awesome and it is really easy to actually use. Like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is a 4x6. If you guys do want like a smaller one, a bigger one, they do have those available for you guys. But when you guys look at the design of the rug, it actually looks very nice. It definitely has that like very unique look to it. But when you guys feel the material on the top layer, it actually feels really nice and super comfortable. So if you guys want to just lay it down on the actual rug, you definitely can. It's very soft in the bottom layer. It definitely has that very nice like non-slip material in the bottom, so that way it won't keep like moving around when you guys put it onto the floor. And they also mention how the actual rug performs differently or looks differently based on the light that you guys have. Whether you guys have a warm white light or a darker light, it will definitely look a little bit different based on the actual lighting that you guys get. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this rug in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a rug to actually use in your living room or bedroom that has this kind of design and also has everything else I mentioned in terms of the comfort and also non-slip material on the bottom of the mat. If you guys want all of that, then this product is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.